Hey there, welcome to Income Nomad. Today I've got something that might surprise you. Did you know over 90% of traders lose money?
Damn!
Shocking, right? But don't sweat it, because today I'm going to share a game-changing strategy that could turn things around for you, whether you're just starting out or already a pro. I'll walk you through the entire process from setting up the strategy with 2 free indicators to optimizing the settings and showing you how to enter trades with precision. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start stacking up wins. Plus, I'll share how to test and automate this strategy to give you an even bigger edge in the market. So let's dive in. First up, we're going to add the linear regression candles to our chart. For this example, I'll be using a 5-minute euro against US dollar chart, but you can use any security and time frame you prefer. Head over to TradingView, click on indicators and search for linear regression candles. Add it to your chart and get ready to tweak a few settings. In the input section, set the signal smoothing and linear regression both to 14th. Then head over to the style tab, turn off the linear regression candles option, and feel free to tweak the plot option to make things easier to see on the chart. That's it for setup. It's super simple. We need to add another indicator to filter out bad trades, the EMA trend meter. This powerful tool uses 3 moving averages to confirm trend momentum. We'll need to adjust the settings for maximum effectiveness. Set the EMA fast to 100, leave the EMA medium as it is, and set the EMA slow to 200. You can leave the rest of the settings at default, but feel free to customize the appearance however you like. Now that both indicators are ready, here's how we trade with them together. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the Income Nomad channel yet, now's the time. You don't want to miss out on the hundreds of strategies we've shared. So hit that subscribe button and join the family of traders leveling up their game. All right, back to the strategy. To enter a long position, we need the price candles to cross above the linear regression line, dip below it, and then close back above this signals a bullish crossing. But that's not enough by itself. We also need all components of the EMA trend meter to turn green, confirming bullish momentum. Once that happens, we're ready to go long. Set your stop loss below the most recent swing low to protect against potential losses, and aim for a 1.5 risk to reward ratio for your take profit target. But if you watch the entire tutorial, there will be a real gem waiting for you just before this video finishes, which shows you how to push your profit factor to the limit. For a short position, it's the opposite. First, we want the price candles to cross below the regression line, rise above it briefly, and then close back below. This is our bearish crossing. But again, wait for confirmation. All components of the EMA trend meter should turn red, signaling bearish momentum. Once you see that, it's time to enter the short trade. Place your stop loss just above the most recent swing high and aim for that same 1.5x risk to reward ratio for your profit target. Now let's see just a part of 1,000 times back and forward testing it with the results coming up in no time. Remember, while this strategy works great when market conditions are right, no strategy is foolproof. To get the best results, you need to do thorough back testing and forward testing. This helps you refine the strategy and get comfortable with how it performs under different market conditions, so you're fully prepared when it's time to trade with real money. Board our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. So as you can see for yourself, the results are outstanding. Before we wrap up, if you want to dive deeper into trading strategies, check out the videos on the screen now. The top one is all about Fibonacci levels with my customizations, and the bottom left will show you how to automate this strategy into a bot with alerts. And don't forget, the bottom right is another viral trading strategy that's blowing up right now. Thanks for watching, and as always, may the charts be in your favor. See you in the next video.